Decadent coffee and liqueur dessert recipe. Indulge your sweet tooth. Hey there, dessert aficionados. Today, we're bringing you a recipe that's sure to delight your taste buds and satisfy your sweet cravings. Coffee and liqueur dessert. This indulgent treat combines the rich flavors of coffee with a hint of liqueur for an extra touch of sophistication. I'm Miss Coffee Baby, and let's dive into this deliciousness. Ingredients. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, preferably espresso. 1/4 cup of your favorite liqueur, such as Kahlua, Bailey's, or Amaretto. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ladyfinger cookies or sponge cake slices. Cocoa powder or chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions. Let's kick things off by brewing a strong cup of coffee. I recommend using espresso for its intense flavor, but you can use any strong coffee you prefer. Once your coffee is ready, pour it into a mixing bowl and add your chosen liqueur. Today, I'm using Kahlua for its rich coffee notes, but feel free to experiment with your favorite liqueur to customize the flavor. Give the coffee and liqueur mixture a gentle stir to combine. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until it reaches stiff peaks. This will add a light and airy texture to our dessert. Now, add in the granulated sugar and vanilla extract to the whipped cream. Mix until everything is well incorporated and you have a smooth, sweetened cream. It's time to assemble our decadent dessert. Start by dipping ladyfinger cookies or sponge cake slices into the coffee and liqueur mixture, ensuring they're fully soaked but not soggy. Next, layer the soaked cookies or cake slices with the sweetened whipped cream in serving glasses or dessert cups. Repeat the layers until you've filled each glass, ending with a layer of whipped cream on top. For the finishing touch, dust the top of each dessert with cocoa powder or sprinkle some chocolate shavings for an extra indulgent touch. And there you have it, folks. Our coffee and liqueur dessert is ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're treating yourself after a long day or impressing guests at your next dinner party, this decadent delight is sure to please. Thanks for tuning in. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mouthwatering desserts. Until next time, happy indulging.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.